Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install DBeaver latest version 26 on Fedora Linux 44 KDE Plasma desktop version. Then we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL from the DBeaver. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Fedora Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to DBeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. See here, DBeaver community is a free open source database management tool recommended for personal projects, manage and explore SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. And see here we have the two types of versions, community and pro. Community is the open source, pro is commercial version. Click on download. See here it is the latest version. For Fedora Linux we have to download this RPM package. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is about 120 megabytes. Open terminal or console. See, download completed. Now go to terminal, go to downloads directory, ls. Now install this package, sudo rpm-ivh, then DBeaver, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now open DBeaver. Click on it to open. I don't want to create sample databases. Now click on database and select new database connection, or click on this plugin button, both are same. Then select database. I have installed both PostgreSQL and MySQL, so I am going to connect both PostgreSQL and MySQL from the DBeaver. Click on next. MySQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Port number 3306. We have the database bank in this host. Then username root. Then provide the password that he has set. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Download driver first. Select download. See, this is the expected one. Click on OK. Now go to driver properties. See here, allow public key rectangle. By default it is false. Change it to true. Then click on test connection again. Password is wrong. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.9. Click on finish. Expand connection. Expand databases. Expand users, front run queries, right click on this database, then SQLite, then open SQL console. Now we can perform the queries here. If you want to create databases, right click, create new database, then provide database name. See, database is there. You can also create database from this console also. Okay, now we will connect PostgreSQL server. Port number for PostgreSQL server is 5432. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Again download driver files for PostgreSQL server. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 18.4. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand connection. See, here we have these databases. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure DBeaver latest version 26.0.5 on Fedora Linux 44 KDE Plasma desktop version. Then we have connected both PostgreSQL and MySQL from the DBeaver. Okay, for more database tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.